Are you planning to take entry test, or do you want to take admission at your dream university but you don't know where to start, or you are confused? The corner of the street is basically a specific or exact place. Are you planning to take entry test, or do you want to take admission at your dream university but you don't know where to start, or you are confused? So you are at the right place. I am Bushra Zahid Akhtar on the behalf of English In, and I am your English mentor, and today we will be solving 4 most important MCQs which are a part of past papers of entry test. So the very first MCQ, as you can see on the board, I will meet you dash the corner of the street. And this MCQ was a part of Sindh University in 2026. And as you can see 4 options here in, on, at, and with. I will be telling each preposition here, like where do we use in, on, at, and with. Remember, we use in for enclosed places, like in the classroom, in the room, like that. Or we use on for surfaces, like on the table, on the floor, or we also use on for days, like on Saturday, on Monday, like that. We use at for exact or specific places, like as you can see in the MCQ, the corner of the street. The corner of the street is basically a specific or exact place. So the right option would be at. And also we have fourth option, which is with. We don't use with for places, we use with for companies, like I am with my colleague, like that. So the right option would be 8. Now we have second MCQ, which is at this time tomorrow I dash on the plane to Paris. And as you can see, there are 4 options. I'm sitting, sat, sit, or will be sitting. When we have a term tomorrow which is showing future, and for future we can't use am sitting because am sitting is showing present, sit is only showing a present tense as well, sat showing past tense, and will be sitting is showing a future. And as you can see, this is statement at this time tomorrow, like we'll have to use future statement or future helping verb, which will be sitting. So the right option would be in this MCQ is will be sitting. The third MCQ, which was a part of Sindh University 2026 entry test, and you will have to choose the synonyms, right? Synonyms between these options. So the word is omit, and as you can see the words here, recluse means to live alone, or which is also means a solitude, or live alone, which is not a meaning of omit. Omit means when we don't include something or we skip something. Or as you can see, the second option, mistake, which is the meaning of mistake is error, or mistake means an error. Okay. Or then we have second option, sorry, third option, which is destroy. Destroy means to damage something completely. Or the fourth option is neglect, which is to ignore something. So the similar meaning of this word omit would be neglect. Last MCQ, which is also a synonym, like we'll have to choose a correct synonyms among these options. Immaculate. Immaculate means when something which is completely clean or which is pure, like there is no any mistake or dirtiness on them. So immaculate means clean or completely clean or pure. So as you can see the 4 options, dirty means which is like not similar to that word, the meaning of that word. Filthy means something which is extremely dirty. Or pure is the right option, obviously, because immaculate means pure or not, or like something which is clean. Or neutral is not a correct option here, so the right option would be pure. So these were the MCQs which were continuously a part of past papers of all the entry tests. And if you want to crack your entry test, or do you want to if you want to take admission at any your dream university, so get yourself registered, because at English in, because we have limited seats. Thank you so much.